Electrical systems are the lifeblood of any modern workplace, but hidden dangers like ground faults can threaten both people and productivity. So why does ground fault monitoring matter so much? Even a small ground fault can turn a metal enclosure or casing into a hazard. If someone touches it, their body could become the path for electrical current, leading to severe injury or even death in less than a second. The scary part? There's no warning, no sound, no smell, no visual cue. Anyone in the facility, from staff to visitors, could be at risk without ever knowing it. For facility managers, proactive ground fault detection isn't just about meeting regulations. It's about creating a safer, more reliable workplace. Traditional troubleshooting can be slow and reactive, but advanced monitoring technology changes the game. By continuously tracking electrical circuits, teams can spot irregularities early, isolate faults, and fix issues before they escalate. Motors are especially vulnerable to ground faults, which can damage equipment and disrupt operations. With real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, facility managers can prevent hazards, extend equipment life, and keep everything running smoothly. Ground fault monitoring is a critical step toward a safer workplace.